Hello learners, in this video we are going to learn correlation. So what is correlation? So correlation is a measure that describes the strength and direction of the relationship between two or more variables. It quantifies how much two variables change together. So there is a range of correlation which I have highlighted here. It is from -1 to +1, and we will see one small caselet where we try to understand the correlation in different forms. So Bholu owns a Rajlakshmi bakery and wants to optimize operations using data. And he wants to analyze the relationship between cake sales and other operational metrics over 30 days period. So there are five different types of correlation we will find. So let's see the variable. So these are the variable. The cake sales is the one variable. Baking soda use is second variable. Advertising spends is third variable. Average temperature is there. Delivery wait time is there, and flour left in stock, that is in kg. So let's load this data in SPSS and do the analysis. So the same procedure, click on open, just click on Excel file, just click on the file. So now you can see the data is loaded. Select the right sheet, just hit OK. So you can check the data view and variable view. So here both the data is loaded properly. Now very simple thing, first we need to work on scatter plot. We need to visually confirm that is there relation between two variables or not. So I will make two or three scatter plots and then we will run the correlation. Okay. So for making scatter plot, just click on graph, click on chart builder. You can see here the scatter plot is there. Just click scatter, just drag this plot there. In y-axis I will take cake sale, and in x-axis I will take baking soda used. I will just hit OK. You can see here the scatter plot is increasing in a straight line. Now if I want, it is moving from downward to upward direction, so it will show the positive relationship. So let's run correlation for this two variable. So just click analyze, click on correlate, click on bivariate, click on cake sales and baking soda. You have three options: Pearson correlation, Candle-Stowe and Spearman. So we will go with a Pearson correlation if your variables are discrete or continuous. But if you have rank, then you have to go with a Spearman. You have options also. You can check everything. Everything is okay. Just hit OK. You can see here the correlation is perfect positive correlation. Perfect positive means change in one unit would lead to specific change in y. Moving towards the second correlation or second graph, now I will change the variable from baking soda to advertisement spend. I will hit OK. You can see here now scatteredness is more. So it is also a positive correlation. Why? Because it is moving from down to upward direction. So it is positive correlation. Let's analyze and get the correlation of these two variables. So I will click on correlate, I will click on bivariate, I will just remove this baking soda and I will just enter advertisement spend. I will hit OK. You can see here now the correlation is 0.870. So it is strong positive correlation. It is strong positive correlation. Moving one step ahead, again graph, again chart builder. Now I am moving towards the third variable. I am removing this advertisement spend and I am moving this temperature. I am just hitting OK. You can see now this doesn't make any direction. So this will give very less correlation. So let's check this. So again go to analyze, again go to correlate, again bivariate. Just change the variable to average temperature. Just hit OK. You can see it is 0.026. So the value is near to 0. You can say that there is no correlation. So this both variable, average temperature and cake sales, are not correlated. And you can see in diagram also there is no direction. Now moving towards the negative correlation. So again go to graph, go to chart builder, change the variable from average temperature to delivery weight, delivery waiting time. Just hit OK. You can see the scatter plot is moving from upward to downward. So when you see this kind of thing, it is showing a negative correlation. And when you will run the correlation, no, R value would be in negative sign. So let's run the correlation of cake sales and delivery waiting time. So just go to analyze, correlate, bivariate. Remove this variable, enter delivery waiting time. Just hit OK. You can see it is minus 0.825. So it is negative correlation. Now we will see perfect negative correlation, the last variable. So again go to chart builder, remove this delivery waiting time and enter floors left in stock. Just hit OK. So it is showing a perfect negative correlation. Let's check using the statistics. So click on analyze, again correlate, bivariate, remove this variable, enter floor left in stock, just hit OK. You can see here your value is minus 1. So when you see minus, it shows negative. When you see plus 1, it shows positive correlation. So this was a positive correlation and you have seen here the value is plus 1. So this way you can analyze it. So let's see our Excel. So I have already written here the summary. So where cake sales and baking soda was showing a perfect positive correlation. Why? Because direct on changing the recipe, the production scales were perfectly correlated. In other words, sales increase, the baking soda increasing, and so on. Moving towards the cake sales and advertising spend. So yes, clear upward trend was there. It shows strong correlation. So marketing works. Keep on doing the advertisement was a business takeaway. Cake sales and temperature was not having any relationship. So no need to worry about it because random thing is there. This is not having any meaning. Moving towards a negative correlation, cake sales and delivery waiting time. Obviously, it was having a negative correlation. So, higher like inverse relationship as sales go up, operational lag drops significantly. So, higher order volume, kitchen staff optimized and streamlined. This is a business takeaway. We should not wait our customers. Try to deliver as much as possible on time. So optimization technique should be adopted. And yes, cake sales and floor left in stock. It is directly a strong negative correlation because each cake is sold, the stock drops by exact 1 unit, and that's why we need to stock every time to to prevent from the situations of stock outs. So inventory depletes, predictability used automates supplier reorders, and this way we can apply correlation in every business. Thank you.